back, students. Standard 10th Maths, Chapter 6, Triangles, and we are into the 14th session now. It's part 14. In 13th part, we saw the last 6 examples of exercise 6.3. Alright, now we proceed further. It's theorem 6.6 that we are going to do right now. From the point of view of examination, this theorem is very important. Even theorem 6.1, either theorem 6.1 or theorem 6.6 is normally asked in the board examination. So have a good look at this theorem. Okay, let's see the statement. The ratio of areas. The ratio of areas means area of one triangle upon area of other triangle. Area of one triangle is to area of other triangle. Of two similar triangles, जो triangle है वो similar है, is equal to square of ratios of their corresponding sides. Ratio of their corresponding sides, but squares. Let's see. Data. Please pay attention. Data. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That is in the data. That's it. Nothing else. To prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, that is the ratio of their areas, is equal to AB की corresponding side PQ, but then squares. So AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC and QR are corresponding sides. BC and QR are corresponding sides, but uska square. AC and PR are corresponding sides, but we have to take their squares. This is the result when two triangles are similar. We have to prove this. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Actually, it is easy. Right now, we'll focus on area of triangle. Children, area. We want to find the ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. If you have to find the ratio of areas, at least we should know what is the area. And what is the formula to find area of triangle? Half into base into altitude. Half into base into altitude. So I'll have to take the altitudes for both the triangles. Let's take base BC. Then AD is the altitude. AD is the altitude. Let's take QR base. Then PM is the altitude. Perpendicular drop to QR from P, that is altitude. So proof will start with that. हमें उससे ही शुरू करना पड़ेगा. Let AD and PM be altitudes of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively. Correct? Okay. Chaliye, let's find out the areas of the two triangles. Now, or simply direct, thus, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, ratio ढूंढ लेते हैं. Children, be careful. Half into area of triangle ABC, base BC into altitude AD upon area of triangle PQR, half into base QR into altitude PM. Now this is very interesting. Alright? I'll remove the statement now so that we have some space to write. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, children, half cancel. This is BC upon QR and this is AD upon PM. I write it little bit trickily. BC upon QR. Those are the sides of the two triangles. Into AD upon PM. Those are the altitudes. AD upon PM. And this I'm going to call it result number 1. Children, we got the ratio of areas. Can you see that? But right hand side is not achieved. वो तो कुछ और ही है. So now what shall we do? Let's pick up this. Sorry. The data. What is given in the data? Now, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by data. So we have two results. Therefore, angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. Call it 2. And AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Call it result number 3. Hey children, ऐसा कुछ है? Can you compare with this? No, they are different. But if I take square of first ratio, then you have to square the second ratio also and square the third ratio also. So I will continue. Therefore, AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square and call it result number 4. चलिए, ये पार्ट मुझे यहां मिला है और ये पार्ट मुझे यहां मिला है, लेकिन उसको जोड़े कैसे? तो देखो, what is BC upon QR? That is BC upon QR. यहां जो BC upon QR है वो यहां भी है. Can you see that? That is either AB upon PQ or you can say AC upon PR. अब दूसरी बात, ये AD upon PM. चिल्ड्रन, एक्सरसाइज 6.3 में हमने देखा है AD upon PM is equal to AB upon PQ in this triangle, children. So now you have to prove this triangle is similar to this triangle. ये दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर होगा तो AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM मिलेगा. So I'm writing these two triangles. अभी 4 रिजल्ट हमारे पास है और मैं अब काम कर रहा हूं ये दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर प्रूव करने के लिए. तो I'm writing in triangle ABD and triangle PQM. ट्राइंगल PQM, बताइए एंगल ADB इज इक्वल टू एंगल PMQ एंड दिस इज राइट एंगल्स. रीजन राइट एंगल्स, करेक्ट. एंड एंगल B, चिल्ड्रन, हियर दिस एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q. यहां देखो, यहां. एंड एंगल B, ब्लू ट्राइंगल लिखा है तो शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिख सकते हैं. एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q बाय 2. Finished? A criterion is satisfied. So you write, therefore, a correspondence. 1 - is similarity by AA criterion. अभी यहां ब्लू का लिख दो. ABD corresponds to रेड का डायरेक्ट नहीं लिखेंगे. B corresponds to Q, B बीच में, Q बीच में. D corresponds to M, D last, so M last. Q और M मिल गया, बच गया P. Therefore, अभी देखो, therefore वो अल्टीट्यूड AD upon PM यहां से लू AD अपॉन PM, AD अपॉन PM इज इक्वल टू, बोलिए बोलिए, AB अपॉन PQ, एंड दिस इज अनदर रिजल्ट, रिजल्ट नंबर 5. अब देखिए रिजल्ट 1 में BC अपॉन QR, ये जो है BC अपॉन QR, दैट इज AB अपॉन PQ फ्रॉम रिजल्ट 3, and this AD upon PM is AB upon PQ by result 5. So we are going to use the result 1, 3 and 5. BC upon QR की जगह पे हम लिखने वाले हैं AB upon PQ from result 3 और AD upon PM from result 5. Okay, I'll erase this part. आप स्क्रीनशॉट लो या पॉज करके लिख लेना ये प्लीज. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू लर्न दिस. मैं जो लिखा रहा हूं वो लर्न करो. डोंट ट्राई टू मैच विथ टेक्स्ट बुक. दिस इज इजियर. सो नाउ व्हाट शुड आई राइट? बाय 1, 3 and 5. It follows that. It follows that. What it follows? That ratio. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, ये BC upon QR की जगह पे क्या लिखने वाले हैं? AB upon PQ into ये AD upon PM की जगह क्या लिखने वाले हैं? AB upon PQ. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB into AB, AB स्क्वायर अपॉन PQ स्क्वायर. मिल गया. लेकिन सर वो तो पूरा लाइन है, BC स्क्वायर अपॉन QR स्क्वायर, ये तो एक ही मिला. अरे बाबा, रिजल्ट 4 कब काम आएगा? नाउ व्हाट इज AB स्क्वायर अपॉन PQ स्क्वायर? वही तो BC स्क्वायर अपॉन QR स्क्वायर और वही AC स्क्वायर अपॉन PR स्क्वायर है. सो लिख देते हैं therefore एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Result 4 बता रहा है AB square upon BC square is PQ square is BC square upon QR square, and that is AC square upon PR square. This is by 4 and this is proved. Proved. I hope you understood. Please copy in this way and learn. You can write this in the board examination if asked. I told it's important. I hope you have understood. Correct? Children, एक चीज याद रखना. अब ये इसके बाद एक रिजल्ट को याद रखो चिल्ड्रन प्लीज. ट्राइंगल ABC सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल PQR. इफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC सिमिलर टू एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR, तो अब एक चीज AB अपॉन PQ इज इक्वल टू BC अपॉन QR इज इक्वल टू AC upon PR is equal to altitude upon altitude. ये याद रखना. AD upon PM. ट्राइंगल ABC का altitude AD, corresponding altitude. और कुछ है यहां, और वो क्या है बताइए? That is equal to perimeter of triangle ABC upon perimeter of triangle PQR. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 ratios. All right. ये ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन में काम आ सकता है. दिस इज वेरी यूजफुल इन आंसरिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन एंड दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी इजी. यस, इट विल बी इजी इफ यू नो ऑल दिस रिलेशनशिप्स, रिजल्ट्स. ओके, या ये पेरीमीटर ऑफ पेरीमीटर में स्क्वायर नहीं आएगा, लेकिन एरिया अपॉन एरिया होगा दो सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स का, तो ये सब स्क्वायर्स बन जाएगा. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. Good. So fine. After theorem 6.6, which is very important, right? We are going to see illustration 9. But before that, before we read the statement, once again, I want you to recall the two results that you get when triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. Children, first I am going to take ratio of perimeters. And next, I am going to take ratio of areas. Perimeter of triangle XYZ upon perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to XY upon PQ, YZ upon QR, and XZ upon PR. This result we have. And I have added one. If you take first point, okay, ऊपर वाला, X, Z, altitude, और PM, alright? X, Z लिया यहाँ altitude, और यहाँ PM, आप कुछ भी point ले सकते हैं. These are altitudes. These are altitudes of triangle. Okay? And now, area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle, up we have XYZ upon area of triangle PQR is equal to all squares, ratio of area squares, XY square upon PQ square, YZ square upon QR square, XZ square upon PR square. तो ये square of altitude भी हो जाएगा, XZ square upon PM square. So please remember this result. Children, when we were students, we hardly understood, means most of the things we did not understand what teacher taught. That doesn't mean that teacher was not teaching properly. Teacher taught us very well, but our IQ was less. Now this generation, you people, your IQ is much higher than what we had at your age. And what teacher, plus there are many means by which you can learn the concept. So today your IQ is high and you can understand also well. Correct? But you are not getting good result. We in those days used to get good results comparatively. The reason, we used to learn this formula by heart. हमें concept समझ में आया नहीं आया, हर एक result हम याद करते थे. We could recall each and every result because we had memorized them. Nowadays, you people understand everything, but you never take pains to remember this result. Now, if I have to prove something, in those days, my school days, I used to struggle hard and then somehow I used to manage to prove it. The only reason, not because of high IQ, because I knew the result, and using the result, somewhere you'll end up. But here, you don't know the result, so you cannot proceed further. Even the objective questions, you are not scoring. The only reason, you don't remember this result. So please, when two triangles are similar, we have ratio of perimeter and ratio of their areas. In perimeter, no squares, and in area, squares. Is that clear? So, now we move to that illustration. It's a typical one. I have written important. That is also very important. A 2 marks question can be asked in the board examination. Alright, this can be asked as a 2 marks question. Here data to prove, सब देखना पड़ेगा children. In figure below, here is the figure. The line segment XY, here it is parallel to side AC. Yes, this is side AC, they are parallel. Here children, parallel, huh? Remember, XY is parallel to AC. Before I read, I'll say this angle is equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle. Why? Corresponding angles. So by AA corollary, BXY, or I'll say triangle ABC is similar to triangle XBY. ये अंदर का triangle और बड़ा triangle they are similar. ये मिल सकता है हमें because these are parallel. कर दिया है मैंने अभी, चलो. Now one very interesting condition. And it मतलब ये line segment XY. Line segment XY is parallel to the side AC and it मतलब line segment XY divides the triangle. ये triangle को divide करता है into how many parts? 2 parts. एक triangle है और दूसरा trapezium या quadrilateral जो भी कहो trapezium कहो. Alright, but divides the triangle, line segment XY divides the triangle into 2 parts. That is okay, you can see that. But now it's very important. Of equal areas. Of equal areas. Area of triangle BXY is equal to area of trapezium ACYX. So let me say area of this triangle BXY is X. Then area of trapezium XYCA is also X. This X is for area of this part. And this X is for area of this part. Are you getting me, children? This part and this part have equal area and I have called it X. What you have to prove? Actually, you have to find. You don't have to prove anything this time. That's why it can be a 2 marks question. Find the ratio AX upon AB. That we'll see. But right now let me write data. Data. In triangle ABC, alright, XY is parallel to BC as shown in the figure. And now it's very important. Area of triangle BXY is equal to area of trapezium XYCA. XYCA. Alright, that's it. To prove. Yes, to find actually. Oh, you don't have to write data and all that because we have to find. Okay. This is all that is given. अभी तो हमको ढूंढना है तो डायरेक्ट डेटा से ले सकते हैं, right? It's not to prove. Okay, fine. So AX is this part. Let's see what we have to find. Upon AB. AX upon AB will be YC upon BC. ये parallel है इसलिए. By result of theorem 6.1. लेकिन YC and BC do we know? अच्छा, पहले काम करते हैं. Triangle BXY similar to triangle ABC prove करते हैं. Then we can take the ratios of areas. But before that, please, area of triangle BXY is equal to area of trapezium XYCA is equal to X, say. Result 1 and by data. Got it, children? By data. The areas are equal. So let me find out area of triangle ABC. Thus, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of this triangle plus area of trapezium. I'm writing directly X plus X and that is equal to 2X. So what is area of triangle BXY? X. And what is area of triangle ABC? 2X. I hope you understood. I'm going to call this as result number 2. Alright. अभी ये corresponding pairs of angles की बात. XY is parallel to AC by data. Therefore, angle BXY is equal to angle, I can say BAC, angle BAC, and angle BYX, ये वाला, angle BYX is equal to angle ACA. Call it 3 corresponding angles, corresponding pairs of angles. That is the reason. Finished. AA is satisfied. Thus, a correspondence. Ye triangle BXY corresponds to dash 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 is a similarity by AA criterion. BXY लिख देता हूं. BXY. Now say X corresponds to A. X in the middle. A should go in the middle. Y corresponds to C. Y is last, C should go last. So A और C आ गया, बच गया B. Correct? So वो similarity हो गई. So you take the ratio of areas. भाई ratio of areas चाहिए. 10 area of triangle BXY upon area of triangle BAC. You can write ABC. ट्राइंगल का सिंबल के बाद ABC भी लिख सकते हैं, पता है ना? चलो, that is equal to, बोलो, what you will take? BX. करेक्ट? आपको ये लेना पड़ेगा BX. AX तो नहीं मिलेगा, जो चाहिए वो नहीं मिलने वाला है. You will get BX. So that is BX upon, यदि BX लो तो AB या BA. लेकिन don't forget squares. Don't forget that is squares. Now put the value. What is the area of triangle BXY? ये BXY का एरिया क्या है? X. Here it is. BXY का एरिया X. So I'll write therefore X upon. What is the area of triangle ABC? ये रहा. Area of triangle ABC. Triangle का symbol BAC is ABC only. So that is 2X is equal to BX square upon AB. दोनों का स्क्वायर, होल स्क्वायर. लेट मी राइट बोथ आर स्क्वायर्स. सो होल स्क्वायर, एक्स एक्स कैंसल, i.e. bx अपॉन ab इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 2. रिजल्ट 4. ओके, ab तो मिला, यू सी, ये ab मिला लेकिन bx नहीं मिला. अभी bx ax अपॉन ab ढूंढने के लिए मेरे पास 3 रास्ते हैं. रिजल्ट 4 के बाद एक, therefore ये कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूं. therefore चिल्ड्रन a dash x dash b है क्या नहीं? a dash x dash b, you have that. So you can say ax plus bx is equal to ab. लेकिन मेरे पास bx है and that is unwanted. मुझे bx नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ax चाहिए. So make bx subject of the formula. Get rid of bx. So up bx can be written as ab minus x upon, you have ab is equal to 1 upon, children ये स्क्वायर रूट मैंने नहीं किया, this is okay, स्क्वायर रूट हो गया कि नहीं? That is equal to 1. Okay. Yeah, square root. Therefore bx upon ab is equal to 1 upon root 2. ठीक है, that is equal to 1 upon root 2. now cross multiplication कर लीजिए. so root 2 into ab minus ax is equal to ab. I'll write here and then erase. चलिए, so root 2 into ab minus, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं, root 2 ax is equal to ab. ab को साथ में करो, ab ये बाजू लेकर आओ. so root 2 ab minus ab, ax को वो बाजू टर्म ले जाओ. so minus 2 root 2 becomes plus root 2 ax. ठीक है, so ab को कॉमन निकालो. so ab is common, so ब्रैकेट में root 2 minus 1 and this is root 2 ax. फिर से रेशियो बना लो, ax अपॉन ab चाहिए, सो ax ab नीचे और ये रूट 2 माइनस 1 और रूट 2 नीचे मिल गया. लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है चिल्ड्रन? व्हाट इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर? रूट. सो यू मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड, रेशनलाइज करो. i.e. ax upon ab is equal to root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. What is the rationalizing factor of root 2? Root 2. So you multiply and divide by root 2. इसको distribute करो. So that is root 2 into root 2, 2 minus root 2 into 1, root 2 upon 2. So this is ax upon ab. Got it? This is one way of doing it. ये एक तरीका है. Now दूसरा तरीका. इससे आगे बढ़ने का तरीका, ये फोर्थ रिजल्ट था चिल्ड्रन. प्लीज व्हाट यू कैन डू नाउ, अब क्या करेंगे? Children, if you remember alternando, invertendo, componendo, dividendo, see this. आपको ax चाहिए, bx नहीं चाहिए. ये जो bx है वो नहीं चाहिए. So पहले आप invertendo कर लीजिए. This is second method. So I am putting it in the second box. Therefore, 4 के बाद, therefore ab upon ax is equal to root 2 upon 1. Inverse हो गया. Invertendo. क्या लिखेंगे? Invertendo. Okay. Fine. Invertendo करने से भी तकलीफ है हमें. We'll have problem. AB minus AX. Children, बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. Actually, subtracting this both from 1, that is given in the textbook. Okay, now I go for componendo. AB minus AX upon AB is equal to root 2 minus 1 upon 1. AB minus AX upon AB is equal to root 2 minus 1 upon 1. Chaliye. What is pura AB? Look here. Pura AB minus AX. It gives you BX. Hey children. I made mistake here, no? It is BX. It is BX, children. BX. See that? BX. AB minus BX. This is AB upon BX upon AB. So inverse will be AB upon BX. Are you getting me, children? I made mistake. While invertendo use करते समय AB upon BX लिखना चाहिए. By mistake I wrote AX. चलिए. Now पूरा साइड AB उसमें से BX माइनस करो तो क्या मिला? AX. That's it. Therefore, AX upon AB. Sorry. Upon BX रहेगा. AB minus BX upon BX. Root 2 minus 1 upon 1. This is dividendo. Dividendo. Alright. So now AX upon BX is equal to root 2 minus 1 upon 1. Children, मुझे AX चाहिए तो AX तो मिल गया लेकिन AB चला गया. अभी वही AX में BX ऐड कर दो तो आपको AB मिलेगा. लेकिन AX तो चाहिए और जो चाहिए वो डिनोमिनेटर में होना चाहिए. सो अगेन इन्वर्टेंडो BX upon AX is equal to 1 upon root 2 minus 1 inverse. And now componendo add BX plus AX upon AX. देखा ये AX डिनोमिनेटर में रिटेन हुआ. Now this is 1 plus root 2 minus 1 numerator plus denominator upon root 2 minus 1. Is that clear? It's I have made a mistake and maybe थोड़ा complicated कर दिया. But you see the video, see back, okay? Now see, plus 1 minus 1 is gone. BX plus AX. BX plus AX is AB, that is wanted. Therefore, AB upon AX is equal to root 2 upon root 2 minus 1. Inverse AX upon AB. ये ऊपर गया AX upon AB आएगा यहाँ. AX upon AB. इसका इनवर्स AX upon AB. ये ऊपर गया और root 2 नीचे आया. ओके, रेशनलाइज करेंगे तो वही पहले वाला आंसर आ जाएगा. root 2 into root 2 minus root 2 upon 2. That is the ratio AX upon AB. Is that, children? In that last sum, we didn't see the third method. Okay, it is little bit. Already I have confused you maybe, or I have made the work complicated. So I didn't go for the third method. You can see it in the textbook. Second method that I did, it is similar to that. But what I did is very lengthy. 1 minus left hand side is equal to 1 minus right hand side and you get the result directly. Look into your textbook. Okay, that solution is given there. So self-study, you can do that. Okay. So now we move on to exercise 6.4. We'll see two examples right now. Very easy. Let's see. Let triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Oh children, two triangles are similar. बताया था ना, रेशियो ऑफ पेरीमीटर इक्वल टू वो चार रेशियो, अल्टीट्यूड अपॉन अल्टीट्यूड बी, एंड देन रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज, स्क्वायर्स, एरियाज में स्क्वायर्स, पेरीमीटर में स्क्वायर्स नहीं. देखते हैं दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है, आगे क्या इंफॉर्मेशन है. एंड their areas are given respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. So what is the area of triangle ABC? 64 centimeter square. What is the area of triangle DF? 121 centimeter square. So areas of both the triangles are given. They are similar. If EF is equal to 15.4, EF is one of the side of second triangle, correct? Find BC. आप देख लो, EF आपको दिया है और BC आपको ढूंढना है. They are corresponding sides. बस, okay. Straight away, this can be just 1 mark question. So straight away, ABC corresponds to DEF. That is similarity. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to, कौन सी साइड ले? BC, क्योंकि वो ढूंढना है. BC स्क्वायर, यदि BC लिया तो EF स्क्वायर. Well, this is available. What is area of triangle ABC? 64. What is area of triangle DF? 121 is equal to whole square. I am writing whole square. BC ढूंढना है और EF 15.4 है, अभी लिखा मैंने. Is that clear to you? Now, therefore, taking square root on both sides, यही ले लेता हूं, square root on both sides. Square root. All right. What is square root of 64? 8. Square root of 121? 11. Okay, that is equal to BC upon 15.4. चलिए, therefore 8 upon 11, 15.4 ऊपर जाएगा. If you remove the decimal, 10 is equal to BC. 11 1 1 14, correct? 80 and 32, 112 upon 10, that is equal to BC. i.e. BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. So that is the result. Got it, children? Sure? Okay. Now let's see question number 2. Diagonals of trapezium ABCD. Trapezium ABCD is given. Children, do you know what is trapezium? Yes, a quadrilateral having one pair of opposite sides parallel with AB parallel to CD. AB and CD are opposite sides and they are parallel. Intersect at point O. Diagonals intersect at point O. AB is equal to 2 times CD. Then find the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Children, are these two triangles similar? No. Then you can't take their ratios. If you want to take the ratio of their areas, first you will have to show they are similar. All right. This is trapezium. Correct? A, B, C, D. AB is parallel to CD. The diagonal AC and BD intersect at O. हमें जो ट्राइंगल चाहिए वो कौन सा है? AOB. Yeah, this one. AOB. And the other one COD. ठीक है. The two triangles are similar. Very quickly you can get them. Okay? कैसे? तो this angle is equal to this angle. Vertically opposite. अभी ये दो पैरेलल है और ये ट्रांसवर्सल है. सो ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल. आपको खुद को लिखना है. आई एम राइटिंग इन ब्रेथ. Therefore, AOB corresponds to dash 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 is a similarity by AA. चलिए बताइए. O corresponds to O. So O बीच में. अब A, देखो A corresponds to C. A is first, so C has to be first. C, O और D बच गया. So therefore triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. So you can take the ratio. Therefore जो पूछा है area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equal to, children तीन साइड्स का स्क्वायर है, कौन सा लूं? या ABCD है ना, so I'm taking AB, so that is AB square, यहां से आएगा CD square. चलो, that is equal to, hey children, there is substitution for AB. What is AB? 2 times CD. So 2 times CD, I'm writing for A, और square तो है, so whole square upon CD square. So square of 2, 4 into square of CD, CD square upon CD square. CD square gone. So यहाँ ratio चाहिए. So 4, that is 4 upon 1, and in ratio form you may write 4:1. I hope you understood that. Sure. Good. All right. So let's move to the next sum of exercise 6.4, and that is fourth one. Let's see the statement. If areas of two similar triangles are equal, then prove that they are congruent. Children, we have learned that true or false statement. Two congruent triangles are always similar, but two similar triangles are not always congruent. Like in here, you have to prove two similar triangles are congruent. There is extra condition. Their areas are equal. Their areas are equal. So let me write data, but before that I'll draw the figure. Suppose this is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. The two triangles given to you are triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Data. Figure you should draw the first. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. They are similar and areas are equal. Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. Got it? To prove, very interesting. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Symbol of congruent. ये चलिए कॉन्ग्रुएंसी की 5 कंडीशन है. SAS, ASA, SSS, RHS and AAS. But then the sides are not proportional. Sides are also equal, just as the angles. Okay, don't worry, it's easy. चलिए सिमिलैरिटी का हमें साइड्स इक्वल मिलेगा. करेक्ट? सिमिलैरिटी का साइड्स इक्वल मिलेगा कि नहीं? So I'll take that proof. Please. Fine. Why not area? Area वाला ही रिजल्ट ले लूं मैं. I'll take result of area and I'll take the corresponding sides. Right? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by data. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, बोलिए, यहां से ले लेता हूं, AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, AC upon PR. Correct? Got it, children? कि गलत है? गलत है. रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज में स्क्वायर्स है. देयर आर स्क्वायर्स. ऑलराइट, कॉल इट रिजल्ट 1. I'm going to call it result 1 by theorem 6.6. Correct? Okay. Now, और क्या है हमारे पास? ये also area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR by data. इस इंफॉर्मेशन में एरियाज है. then what are we waiting for? उसको रेशियो फॉर्म कर दो, क्योंकि रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज चाहिए हमें. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एबीसी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पीक्यूआर इज इक्वल टू 1. दिस इज रिजल्ट 2. यस, ये रेशियो, पुट द वैल्यू. सो बाय 1 and 2, by 1 and 2, it follows that. बोलो बोलो, यहां 1 is equal to AB upon PQ whole square is equal to BC upon QR whole square is equal to AC upon PR whole square. Got it, children? इसकी वैल्यू यहां डाल दी, and I've written by 1 and 2 it follows that. Now taking square root, therefore square root of each by इसका स्क्वायर रूट बराबर इसका स्क्वायर रूट बराबर इसका स्क्वायर रूट बराबर इसका स्क्वायर रूट. Therefore 1 is equal to square root gone, AB upon PQ, BC upon QR. Here also square root is gone, so that is AC upon PR. Now that is interesting. I'll continue here. I'm going to get rid of these figures and make some space to write. All right, children, I pick up this IE AB upon PQ is equal to 1. I pick up this BC upon QR is equal to 1, and I pick up this and AC upon PR is equal to 1. I'll continue here. This implies, take PQ on the other side, so AB is equal to PQ. This implies BC equal to QR, and this implies AC equal to PR. Hey, you got equal, sides are equal. All right, and this I'm going to call it result number 2 आया था last, so 3. By 3 it follows that, इसको भी निकालना पड़ेगा. It follows that as we write a correspondence is a congruence by SSS theorem. अभी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे लिख दूं ABC. अब या यस, A corresponds to what? यहां AB और AC है, उसमें A रिपीट हो रहा है और वहां P रिपीट हो रहा है, so A corresponds to P. Now definite A corresponds to P पता चल गया, so B corresponds to Q and R, and therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Proved. That was easy, isn't it? Please write in your notebooks. Soon we are going to ask you for your notebooks. You have to submit the notebooks in the school. All right? So, yes, make it ready. It should be complete. So today we end up this session. Goodbye.